the time the sun rises in one part of the world until it rises again on the other side. There are people of action around the world doing good, changing lives, giving hope. The sun never sets in Rotary. Service is bigger than ourselves. The sun never sets in Rotary. Thanks to you, we are Rotary, we are one. All these people who give a Rotarian, who engage with the youth, work with them. They serve those most in need, heal the sick, promote peace and polio and save lives. The sun never sets in Rotary. Service is bigger than ourselves. The sun never sets in Rotary. Thanks to you, we are Rotary, we are one. Thanks to you, we are Rotary, we are one.
When it's love, it welcomes you. It appreciates you. It inspires you and gives you a reason to go on. A reason to do great things and conquer great heights. It is there to give you courage, to empower you, and honor your strength. Love is always worth the wait. It is a deep dive into a life of wonders. Wonders that are found in the smallest of things and in the sweetest little moments, but always better in full view. Better for all to feel, better for all to see, and better for all to share. This is how you know that love is real. When it expects nothing in return, yet makes you yearn to give it back. When it leaves a mark on your soul that you'll take everywhere you go, as you walk into the new chapters of your life. But even if you can't fully understand it, even if you can't put it into words, sometimes knowing it's with you is enough. Because when it's love, you feel it.
Good day, Rotary World! Truly, this is an exciting event where we get to participate in a 24-hour, non-stop live stream celebration of Rotary's 120th Charter Anniversary. Running in its 5th year, The Sun Never Sets in Rotary signifies Rotary's continued commitment to doing good to the world. Our District 3830 represents the Philippines, and in the next hour, together we will discover the magic of Rotary in our country. To kick off this segment, we will hear a special message from RI President Stephanie Orchik herself, and to be followed by a warm welcome from our District Governor, Presi Yulo. Thereafter, our very own past RI Director, Guillermo Tumangan, will deliver an inspirational message marking the significance of this event. Then, past District Governor John Yu will discuss Rotary's Intercountry Committee in the Philippines. Focusing on how Rotary does its magic in the Philippines, we will hear relevant updates from our leadership on some of the priority projects that continue to create ripples of hope. District Governor Presi Yulo will be talking about maternal and child health advocacy, the fight against adolescent pregnancy. District Governor-elect Reggie Nolido will talk about Rotary homes, providing safe, sustainable housing to communities in need. And District Governor nominee Jas Limon will cover street children in the Philippines and Tuloy Foundation. So, we hope we will be able to mesmerize you all with the magic works of Rotary in the Philippines. Together, let's continue to connect, inspire, and serve. Thank you.
Hello, family of Rotary, and happy 120 years to Rotary International. It is a great joy to be with you participating in this initiative called The Sun Never Sets on Rotary, which for the 5th consecutive year allows us to celebrate our organization's anniversary through 24 online Rotary meetings around the world involving Rotarians and districts from more than 50 different countries connected through a single and common Zoom link. This initiative allows us to emphasize what Rotary International represents for the world: a legacy of service, leadership, collaboration, and innovation. And it's an opportunity to inspire future generations to join the service organization and make a difference in the world. So congratulations, my friends of The Sun Never Sets in Rotary, for this initiative and to organize the 24 online Rotary meetings around the world celebrating the magic of Rotary. 120 years has united us and inspired all of us to serve mankind.
Dear fellow Rotarians, it is with great honor and immense pride that District 3830 welcomes you to the Philippine segment of the 5th edition of the Sun Never Sets in Rotary Conference. As we gather virtually to connect, inspire, and serve, we are delighted to showcase our unwavering commitment to supporting marginalized communities and promoting the values of Rotary. On this auspicious occasion of the 120th founding of Rotary, we stand together in celebration of our collective contributions to Rotary service, making this Rotary year truly magical. The Sun Never Sets in Rotary has been instrumental in fostering lasting friendships among Rotarians worldwide, transcending language barriers and cultural differences, truly embodying the spirit of international unity. Through the 24-hour relay Rotary birthday celebrations, SNSR continues to provide a platform for participation and learning, drawing upon the dedication of Rotarians globally. It is a testament to our shared passion and dedication to Rotary's mission that 1.4 million individuals come together, holding hands in solidarity for the betterment of communities worldwide. As we embark on this journey of connecting, inspiring, and serving, let us embrace the essence of Rotary where the sun never sets, illuminating our path to a world of compassion and service. Thank you for being a part of this inspiring event where together we can make a difference that resonates across borders and cultures. Thank you and warm regards.
Greetings from the 10 Philippine Rotary districts. Today, we celebrate the timeliness of Rotary ideals and our constancy of purpose. Reverence for Rotary's rich history is a valuable anchor in Philippine Rotary's culture of continuity. District 3810 is the home of the Rotary Club Manila, chartered in 1919, the first in Asia. In 1939, past club president Carlos P. Romulo was elected vice president of Rotary International at the young age of 40. The fight to end polio, the Rotary Center, court decision to admit women, and the Rotary Community Court are cherished images that a Filipino, Mat Capara, served as RI president. Rotary membership is a personal investment of trust, mutual trust, and trustworthiness. Recently, District 3830 established the Harry Rogers Society. It is our creative expression of personal commitment to sponsor at least one new member a year and a collective accountability to grow Rotary. Can you now put into words the magic of Rotary in your district, the Rotary Club and Rotary Club? For District 3770, it's one district, one heart. Humility, empathy, accountability, respect, and teamwork. And for club presidents, they're thinking to achieve their goals with the acronym GREAT: growth in membership, Rotary Foundation, engagement of members, accountability and transparency and teamwork. Time spent in Rotary is a journey of constant personal, organizational renewal because of the ethical dilemmas we confront and overcome when implementing RI and PRF programs. All 10 districts focus on leadership development, scholarship, capacity building, and fellowship so that the family of Rotary spirit is energized. Emphasis on vocational service and intensified advocacy of the following tests, increased Rotary clubs and Rotary Community Corps, multiply the number of co-creators of harassment-free and inclusive communities and workplaces in highly urbanized centers or in rural areas. We pray for a legacy of love, joy, generosity, integrity, and benevolence, and peace. For us, virtual volunteers from the youth and young adults are pivotal to high-impact, cross-cultural communication, digital transformation, and social enterprise development. Yes, technology enabled Philippine Rotary to benchmark success stories and adapt the best practices to our culture. The world stage of Rotary is like magic shows that impact on both performance and audience. Shared memories, increased creativity, nostalgia, deep friendship, competency, and capacity building, professional advancement make Rotary irresistible and even addictive. Truly, the magic of Rotary is in each person endowed with the freedom to create and commit to stewardship. The magic of Rotary is grounded on club autonomy and collective accountability and transparency. District 3780, 3800, 3810, 3830, 3816 are situated in populous urban areas and must respond to inequitable access to health and nutrition, education, youth development, and employment opportunities and government service. While District 3770, 3790, 3820, 3850, 3870 are in regions where natural, cultural, historical resources abound and there are hubs and spokes for tourism and agri-industrial sectors. It is imperative for Philippine Rotary to collaborate in developing integrative, resident-friendly, techno-structural innovations that are culturally, economically, and ecologically viable and life-sustaining, especially where the ancestral domain of indigenous peoples are developed and poverty-resilient society. Continuity is achieved when transformative programs become juridical persons like the Philippine College of Rotary Governors, Rotary Village Corps, Philippine Rotary Media, Rotary Homes, Help and Assistance for Rotary Philippine Districts, First Rotary Credit Cooperative, District 3860 Disaster Management Committee. Rotary is a personal encounter. Heightened self-awareness is fundamental for service above self to be second nature. It is no secret that smiles beget smiles when you are in the Philippines. We smile when our arms meet to embrace humanity through the Rotary Foundation. The family of Rotary brings smile to children and elderly. We are humbled that the Philippines was ranked 10th among the TRF giving countries. We are happy that we can reciprocate your kindness and generosity in solving complex problems. Rotary protects the most powerful computer, the human brain. The children we protect today are the workforce and global leaders 18 years hence. It is about unconditional love, kinship, neighborliness, harmony, nobility, citizenship, supply of value chains, and income augmentation stream. The sun never sets in Philippine Rotary. Our one heart beats involuntarily. There's joy in the small, remarkable occurrence in everyday life. These daily miracles hold significant meaning and bring a sense of wonder and gratitude. From compassion to passion, from inspiration to innovation, every day is a beautiful love story that ought to be retold. Thank you very much and congratulations to the organizing committee led by past RA Vice President Celia and past President Pat for another successful 24 hours of 120th birthday celebration of Rotary. Salamat, mabuhay, and thanks to all of you, family of Rotary.
Good day, esteemed Rotarians. As the chairman of the Rotary Inter-Country Committee Philippines, I want to reflect on a phrase that encapsulates our shared mission and global spirit. The sun never sets in Rotary. This message resonates deeply within the context of the Rotary Inter-Country Committee, highlighting our commitment to international collaboration and friendship. The Inter-Country Committee serves as a bridge between clubs across borders, allowing us to share ideas, resources, and support. With Rotarians working in over 200 countries, the sun truly never sets on our activities. Whether in community service projects, cultural exchanges, or humanitarian efforts, our collective impact knows no geographical limits. This international collaboration amplifies our efforts, ensuring that our work is felt worldwide. The true beauty of our inter-country committees lies in the relationships we build. By connecting with fellow Rotarians from different cultures, we gain a deeper understanding of global challenges and diverse perspectives. These connections foster friendships and goodwill, reinforcing our commitment to peace and service. As we learn from one another, we become stronger and more effective in our endeavors, proving that our unity transcends borders. As we reflect on our legacy, let's remember that our reach extends far beyond local communities. Through the Inter-Country Committee, we can initiate projects that address pressing issues, share best practices, and inspire future generations of Rotarians. The sun never sets on our mission to create a better world, and our dedication to service continues to shine brightly, illuminating paths of hope and change. Lastly, let us embrace the message that the sun never sets in Rotary, especially through the lens of the Inter-Country Committee. Together, we can harness a global network, strengthen bonds, and make a lasting impact on communities around the world. Thank you for your unwavering commitment and passion. Together, we ensure that the light of Rotary shines brightly no matter where we are. Always remember, the magic of Rotary really lies in unity. And in unity, there is strength. In unity, there is hope. And in unity, we do it for good. Thank you very much and mabuhay.
Welcome to District 3830, Philippines. One of the pressing issues that affect the future of our youth and consequently our nation is the alarming rise in adolescent pregnancies in the Philippines. Adolescent pregnancy is not merely a personal concern. It is a societal challenge that jeopardizes the health, education, and economic prospects of our young women. Recent statistics reveal a sobering reality. There has been a staggering 35% increase in pregnancies among adolescents aged 15 and below from 2021 to 2022, with the total live births among this age group rising from 2,320 to 3,135. Additionally, it is estimated that 22,000 teenagers in the Philippines gave birth in 2023, highlighting the urgency of this issue. Such figures demand immediate attention and action. The impacts of adolescent pregnancies are profound. Young mothers often face significant health risks, including complications during pregnancy and childbirth, as their bodies are not fully mature. Furthermore, early pregnancies frequently result in young women dropping out of school, leaving them with limited opportunities for employment and personal development. This cycle of disadvantage affects not only the young mothers, but also their children and communities, perpetuating patterns of poverty and inequality. In this crucial moment, Rotary in the Philippines plays a crucial role in raising awareness and curbing adolescent pregnancy by leveraging its global network and resources to implement a comprehensive approach. In District 3830, for instance, we have undertaken efforts to educate adolescents even outside of our territories. These district-initiated projects involve all the 116 Rotary clubs and Rotaractors in this campaign. Likewise, majority of the global and district grants applied for by clubs focused on this concern. These initiatives include raising awareness, educating preteens and adolescents, and partnerships with other organizations played a crucial role, like what the Rotary Club of Las Piñas initiated. These are conducting workshops and seminars, organizing sessions in schools, communities, and local organizations to educate young people about sexual health, family planning, and the consequences of early pregnancy. Through a district-wide initiative, Rotary clubs created educational materials, distributed flyers, brochures, and videos in malls and other heavily populated areas. The donation of an ultrasound machine to the Las Piñas General Hospital led to the hospital establishing an adolescent health clinic, the first of its kind in the National Capital Region, dedicated for adolescent clients. Community engagement and collaboration was enhanced through the launch of the district-initiated Precious First 1,000 Days Karinderya para sa Healthy Pilipinas. This simultaneous launch of the first 1,000 Days program across 2 cities in the district included 3 barangays CAA Las Piñas, Pamplona 2, and Guadalupe Nuevo in Makati. This event, led by District 3830, in collaboration with the First 1,000 Days Coalition and the leadership of former Senator Joelina, is a huge milestone in supporting the health of expectant mothers and their babies, especially the teenage mothers. About 40 clubs participated in this project. Health services outreach were also implemented by the Rotary Club of Makati Ayala Amity, medical and dental mission with wellness service by the Rotary Club of Makati Global. Our National Children's Day participated by more than 100 Rotary clubs in District 3830, which was led by the Rotary Club of Metropolitan Pateros, had a segment for teenage pregnancy prevention lectures. Love ko si buntis, alagaan ko si bulilit, or I love you preggy mommy, I'll take care of your child, or for teenage and adolescent pregnant women, married women, and 0 to 6 years old kids was a prenatal lecture by the Rotary Club of Makati San Lorenzo in cooperation with the Philippine Cancer Society and the Manila Health Office. The Rotary Club of Makati Jose P. Rizal conducted the Elevating Joy, Fulfilling Dreams, Bridging Horizons through Technology project at Grace to be Born Maternity Home in Pasig City, where a 2.5 HP split-type air conditioner was donated to enhance the comfort of their facilities, especially in a room where proper ventilation is needed. Likewise, the Rotary Club of Makati Jose P. Rizal has reached out to a far-flung areas outside District 3830 and conducted the Masaganang Kinabukasan sa Batang May Alam, or a prosperous future to kids with knowledge at Jose de Mesa School, San Pablo City, Laguna. The Rotary Club of Las Piñas, Cosmopolitan Las Piñas, held a free seminar on teenage pregnancy. The same thing with the Rotary Club of Makati Ayala Triangle, where they also did this project on teenage pregnancy seminar and workshops. In the island province of Palawan, a Buntis Pregnant Women Congress was organized by the Rotary Club of Puerto Princesa Central. The Rotary Club of Alabang Madrigal Business Park held the Let's Educate and Raise Awareness about Adolescent Pregnancies, which was a teenage quiz bee with 50 teenagers and their children in Mandaluyong City. This legacy project focused on raising awareness again about adolescent pregnancies. The Young and the Curious, Teenage Pregnancy and Mental Health is a project of the Rotary Club of Makati Edzobel designed to empower pre-adolescent and teenage residents with essential health knowledge for the purpose of creating a safe and engaging environment where young people comfortable learning about mental health and sex and reproductive health. Bida ang Buntis, the Pregnant Women, is a heroine catered to 80 pregnant women as a joint project of the Rotary Club of Makati Metro, jointly with Zonta Alabang and the Philippine Cancer Society. The beneficiaries were registered for pregnant Hep B test, breast and cervical cancer screening. These are just some of the recent activities in District 3830 that showcase Rotary's commitment to addressing adolescent pregnancy. These initiatives demonstrated Rotary's support of educational programs that equip young people with knowledge and skills they need to make informed decisions about their bodies and futures. By fostering a supportive environment and encouraging open discussions about sexual health, we can help dismantle the stigmas surrounding adolescent pregnancies and create a culture of prevention. In conclusion, the significance of advocating for adolescent pregnancy prevention in the Philippines cannot be overstated. It is a matter of health, education, and social justice. The support of Rotary and the collective effort of our communities made in the difference in the lives of our youth. We stood united in promoting safe practices, comprehensive sexual education, and accessible health services to ensure that our young people can realize their full potential without the burden of early parenthood. Thank you.
Good day, Rotarians, and welcome to our presentation of the Philippine Rotary Movement. Last year, I was given the privilege to speak to you about one of the most enduring and life-changing Rotary projects, not just in our District 3830, but also in the Philippines, aptly called Rotary Homes. In my presentation, I gave a brief run-through of its history, having been conceived as an offshoot of an environmental initiative to clean up the Parañaque River, a vital waterway that flows through the city of Parañaque and exits onto Manila Bay. The sad reality at that time is that due to the large government backlog in providing our countrymen affordable housing facilities, the riverbank became the site of a large population of informal settlers living in squalid conditions, raising children in an unhealthy and dangerous environment. We reported that the river became the dumping ground for waste and garbage, and soon the river flow was greatly hampered, with refuse accumulating at alarming levels. It is not surprising, therefore, that during the rainy seasons from June to around November, the river swells, which places the lives of these informal settlers in grave danger. Year after year, men, women, and children needlessly lost their lives and their homes to the raging flow of the saturated river. Understanding the need to remove the informal settlers from the riverbanks, we were, however, faced with the dilemma of where to place them. It is under this premise that District 3830 founded and established the Rotary Homes District 3830 Development Foundation, Incorporated. With funds raised from donations by Rotarians and institutional partners, with a piece of land provided by the local government of Parañaque, with the labor provided by the identified beneficiaries, Rotary Homes Parañaque 1 was founded to house 143 families, which is now overseen and supported by the Rotary Club of Parañaque St. Andrew. Soon, another 50 homes were established in Rotary Homes Parañaque 2, under the guidance of the Rotary Club of Parañaque East. And after, as word of the project began to spread, and with support from various donors, even from foreign districts in Taiwan and Korea, Rotary Homes Parañaque 3, with 76 homes, was established, on which the Rotary Club of Makati has established an RCC. Today, these thriving communities where residents are organized, where futures are brighter, and where living is comfortable, is in place. But what has happened over the past 12 months? Allow me first to inform you that ground has broken and work is ongoing in the fourth site of Rotary Homes in Muntinlupa City, which is being supported by the Rotary Club of Muntinlupa. Through the sponsorship of the Rotary Club of Makati, funds were provided that would have been sufficient for the construction of 40 new homes. Completing the project, however, has been quite challenging due to the effects of the pandemic on the price of labor and materials, and as a result of delays brought about by what are now solved complaints from neighboring subdivisions. The funding initially provided can now only build 28 homes. Negotiations are ongoing to find additional funding from benefactors, Rotary clubs, and even the local government to build the remaining 12 homes. While this is a daunting challenge, we are confident we can overcome this. Further, we have just broken ground last February 7, 2025 on the 5th site in Marcelo Green, Parañaque, where 36 homes are now being constructed with funding arranged for and made possible in the Rotary Club of Pananyag, Parañaque. This will be the 4th site in Parañaque City, underscoring the vibrant relationship between Rotary and the local government, whose officials are themselves Rotarians. Just as exciting are the prospects in the island of Siargao, the surfing capital of the Philippines. Last year, we reported that there are plans to construct 50 homes in the municipality of General Luna. This has been delayed, however, due to the concerns with the beneficiaries. We hope that this will be addressed soon and that groundbreaking can already take place. But aside from General Luna, we are likewise looking to build another 20 homes in the municipality of Burgos, also in Siargao Island. A memorandum of agreement was signed with them last November 29, 2024, and groundbreaking is expected to happen soon. What is even more inspiring is that our efforts have been replicated in other areas. In District 3820, they undertook their own version of Rotary homes and built an entire complex in Lipa, Batangas. Further, in Binyan, Laguna, with the assistance of District 3620 in Korea, the Rotary Club of Muntinlupa Business District just recently turned over homes to beneficiaries in a very promising site. Even now, we are receiving inquiries from partnerships in the northern provinces of Ilocos up to the southern islands of Iloilo and Cebu. During one of his speeches, past District Governor Sid Garcia, Chairman Emeritus of Rotary Homes, shared that through Rotary Homes, we are giving the beneficiaries dignity in their lives. The gift of a stable roof over their heads has uplifted the fortunes of the thousands of residents directly benefited by Rotary Homes. Through this forum, we hope that we can find amongst you partners who will help us complete our projects. There is so much more to be done and so many more homes to complete. If you are interested to partner with us in these endeavors, you can visit us at our Facebook page and at rotaryhomes.org. Thank you, and let us all work together to uplift lives and bring homes to the homeless, one family at a time. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am District Governor nominee Jas Limon. My topic is about the street children in the Philippines. If you were to talk to a street child, what would you tell him? For me, I will tell him, you are valuable, strong, resilient, you are worthy, and you deserve a bright future. What risks do street children face? Street-connected children often lack access to basic essentials like food, shelter, clothing, and healthcare. They are often discriminated. They lack or don't have protection. They are exposed to violence and exploitation. They lack or don't have proper education. And lastly, most of them have mental issues. Family reunification is the best way to help vulnerable children, such as those living on the streets. But sad to say, some of them are abandoned children. Rotary Club in District 3830 helped build a Street Children Foundation from its humble beginnings, and we are still supporting up to now. As one of the Board of Trustees of the foundation, I get to know each and everyone's story that sometimes really break my heart. The foundation has become a model facility that is world-class in taking care of street children including their education, along with sports and other extracurricular activities. As of today, we have children who eventually learn to live with society. They are already successful and in their own little way are helping the foundation. I am very proud to present Tuloy sa Don Bosco Street Children Foundation. Tuloy in English means come in. Let's watch this.
Hear what your eyes could see. Have fun, enjoy, and be free. Together we play our part to promote peace and unity. Wonder what life could be. It's really up to you and me. There's endless possibilities. That's the magic of Rotary. To create the magic, it's up to us. To believe in magic, it's up to us. You can do anything that you aspire. To create the magic, it's up to us. To believe in magic, it's up to us. We can start anything our hearts desire. Build a bridge to lasting change.